Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Macon Campbell and this is maconSTUFF. So I've been feeling particularly demotivated the last week or so. Reasons why, I suppose, are not important. What is important though is not letting it get me down. Oftentimes when I'm feeling demotivated, what I like to do is I like to clean the shop, which is exactly what I did. While cleaning out the shop, I decided to clean out the bandsaw, something which was long overdue, as you can see. This particularly is always quite fun for me. I love seeing all the layers that build up inside the bandsaw from all the different kinds of woods that I've been cutting there. But as beautiful as that may be, I decided to build some kind of dust collection system for the bandsaw, because the bandsaw by far I think is the tool I use the most and is the biggest culprit of dust in my workshop. As soon as that thing starts getting full of dust, every single time I put it on, dust comes out every single orifice and seems to fill up my whole shop, leaving a nice layer of dust over everything. So this particular dust collection method that I've built is quite possibly the best dust collection, in my opinion, I've ever seen for the bandsaw. Now, as amazing as this is, I can't boast coming up with this idea. This is something that I saw on another YouTube channel called Weber Woodshop. The guy's name is Blake Weber, does awesome woodwork. I'll leave a link to his channel and to the specific video in question down in the comments below, so you can check it out for yourself. So this is a very quick build and exactly the kind of build that I like doing when I'm feeling a little demotivated. So the build is not pretty at all. It's not meant to be pretty. It's stuck underneath the bandsaw, as you'll see soon enough, and is probably never going to be seen by anyone else, but definitely makes all the difference. But I like this method specifically because it uses something basic like a shop vac, and the dust collection is second to none. So without me yapping on about it, let's get started. So there we go, it's done, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. I've done a couple of tests and this definitely makes a huge improvement on the dust collection for my bandsaw. So if you happen to still be watching, then you are most probably one of my few very loyal followers on YouTube, and I'd just like to thank you guys very much for watching. I may not say it as often as I should, but I really appreciate all the support and the comments that you guys give me. I'm not going to ask you to like, share and comment, or even to support me on Patreon, because frankly I'm just saying the things that people expect me to say. And for the people who know me personally, they know that for me it is particularly hard to ask anyone for anything, whether that be help, money, support. Those are some of the hardest things for me to do. I'm a very proud man. I've been saying these things at the end of my videos just because everyone else is doing it, but at the end of the day, that's not me. I hate doing that, and as of now I'm just not going to do it anymore. I'll leave that up to you, whoever is still watching. And one last time, thank you very much for all your support, and till next time, keep making stuff.